I have something that you guys really need to see, okay? Hold on 1 second. It is snowing again. This is 2 days after that major storm that we just got. What's going on, everybody? My name's Taylor. Welcome to my channel, Ken White Construction. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. Now, for all my other existing subscribers and viewers, or new, if you're more into equipment being ran, go check out my last video because it's more of just pure machines being ran, plowing content. Now, what's going on today is me and Al are actually going to be fueling up some of the machines, getting stuff greased, getting everything ready for possibly cleaning up what's happening right now on us. So if you're interested in that, come kick it with us. I appreciate it. Let's get into this video. First things first is we need to get this Duramax started, and as you can see, it hasn't been moved in a while, so the snow is up to my knees, and that's just awesome. What we do with this truck is underneath this massive pile of snow is actually our slip tank. You can see the nozzle and everything here. We put our dyed diesel in this, and this is how we get fuel to our machines when we're on site or anywhere that we just need to get fuel to them. We also have our Tundra here. It has a slip tank in the back of it as well, with the tank with dyed diesel in it. But we're gonna use the Duramax today because it's new and I like driving it. Well, glow plugs don't really need to stay on long for this. Beautiful. All right, we're in the Duramax now. Got Al here with me. Al, say hi.
Hey, how's it going?
This is the man behind all the machines. Never really introduced anybody to Al before. He's been with us for what, 3 years now?
3 years, yeah.
3 years now he's been with us, and he's been just coming in and helping us just whenever we need some help right now. And we're just heading to the storage right now to go put some fuel in the machines and take down some banks and some snow that's been building up, and hoping that this snow stops soon. That's coming down on us right now. Because I don't know about you, but I'm getting pretty sick of snow.
Yeah, I hear you.
So we're just fueling up here, and basically it's just a 12-volt DC pump with how many liters is that fuel tank? 500 liter fuel tank. It works pretty well actually. In the back of here it's secured. You can't really see, but there's bolts mounted into the frame in order to have this securely fastened in here. It's a 20 gallon per minute pump. It works really well. And we're just getting her filled up. The backhoe's full of fuel, so now we're just gonna put the fuel here in the skid steer. And the fuel cap for it is actually behind in here. Now that is different from our other skid steer where we used to fill it up. There used to be a spot just in here, and now they kind of put it out back, which kind of find it makes a little more sense, but obviously just design purposes they had to slam it there. But we'll get some fuel in this and then clean up some snow. So I was just saying, so the machines are both fueled up now. Well, actually Al's just wrapping up getting the skid steer fueled up. We're gonna go in, let the backhoe warm up at least for a little longer, and then we just got some snow banks that have been getting up too high. So what we're gonna do is get in the backhoe and just remove that snow and put it in another spot that has some free space. But if you watched our last snow removal preparing video, we hauled out a ton of snow and just moved a lot of snow on site, and it looks like we're gonna have to do that again, just in case we get another big snowstorm, or any snowstorm really. We are kind of jam-packed with space here at the moment, but we'll get that done and we'll get some footage of us removing some snow. we're calling this the bucket cam. I got it inside our bucket here. I'm really hoping that I don't plow over top of the GoPro, but willing to sacrifice it all for the shot. Bucket cam worked good. We didn't lose the camera. Awesome. What I'm gonna do is use the back end of the backhoe here to just get down those ice. Just as it kind of warms up, what we don't want is that to overlap just like it's coming over top of the roof there now, in case somebody was going into their unit and that dropped on them. That's definitely not something that I want on my hands. So I'm gonna use the back end here to just knock down those. And you guys can criticize how I run that back end of this backhoe, because I am not a professional. just kind of grabbing these banks for whenever people kind of are leaving our storage here. The banks were getting a little high, and I was just worried about people not being able to see over them when they're leaving, so I pulled a bunch of snow out, and then now we're just kind of squashing what's rest down here and making it easy for people to see. That should be good. I don't know if you guys could see any of that or if it's just more of me with my hands in here, but that's probably the 5th time I've ever used the back end of this backhoe. And I like it, it's nice and smooth. Alright, well I think that's pretty much it for the day. We got the snow removed, we got everything kind of done that we needed to get done today. The machines are all fueled up, we're ready to rock, and I appreciate you tuning in today. Hopefully it was an interesting video enough for everybody. If you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. You got anything else to say, Al?
Have a good family weekend.
Have a good family day weekend, that's a great point. Thanks guys.